Welcome to the Control M workload automation video series. In this video, I'll show you how to use a different Java version that is built in Control M server. This functionality is only available from Fixpak 3 and the next version of 8, and from base version of 9 and the next. Next, I'll show you how to change the Java virtual machine on a Linux box. Keep in mind that we only support using versions higher than the one provided by the product, keeping the same major version. If we access the directory where we have the Control M server installed inside the JRE directory and execute /java-version, we will see that our version is 1.8.0_45. So we can only update with version 18 and higher. For example, the one that I will use myself is 1.8.0_201, as you can see here. Having said that, let's proceed with the configuration. Before making any modification, we must take note of the directory where the new virtual machine is installed. In my own case, it is under /home/emuser/new java/jre 1.8.0_201/bin. To make the change of the Java virtual machine in the Control M server, we must be in the home of the user with whom we install the project and edit the file .cshrc. Again, to make the change of the Java virtual machine in the Control M server, we must be in the home of the user with whom we install the product and edit the file .cshrc. This is important. It is also important to include the dot in front of the file name, since it's a hidden file. Once you open the text editor, add the variable bmc_java_home in the path to the new virtual machine, which in my case is shown below. After you've done all that, save the changes and exit the editor. And after that, we need to stop Control M server and start it again, and the new virtual server machine will be in use. Next, I'll show you how to perform the changes in a Windows environment. For this, we must have downloaded and installed the virtual machine in our own environment, which in my own case I already did in the following directory. It is important to take note of the directory where it is installed, because we will need to add it to the system variables. Now we need to add the variable bmc_java_home with the path where we have installed a new virtual machine for it. So go to properties of the environment by clicking the right button on the computer, advanced options, and then click on variables. In the section of system variables, click on new and add the variable bmc_java_home with a path to the new virtual machine, which in my own case is C program files java jre 1.8.0_201/bin. Now, for the changes to take place, it is necessary to stop the Control M server. This concludes this video solution of Control M. Thanks for watching. Please go to our knowledge base and YouTube for more videos like this.